Welcome to a world of rustic charm and festive warmth. The holiday season is upon us, and it's time to transform your home into a cozy haven. Today, we're diving into some rustic holiday decor ideas that will infuse your space with warmth, natural beauty, and a touch of timeless charm. Let's start with the entrance. A rustic wreath made from natural materials like pine cones, twigs, and dried flowers is the perfect way to welcome guests. Add a red velvet ribbon or a sprig of holly for that traditional holiday touch, and you've set the tone for the rest of your decor. Next up, the dining table. Nothing says holiday cheer like a table that's brimming with seasonal charm. Think lush green garlands, small candles in rustic holders, and wooden chargers for an earthy feel. You can even add a few sprigs of fresh rosemary or cinnamon sticks for a fragrant touch. Let's not forget the mantle. This is where your rustic holiday magic can truly shine. Line the mantle with natural pine cones, sprigs of evergreen, and twinkling fairy lights. Don't forget to hang stockings. Handmade or knitted stockings in warm, earthy colors are perfect for that cozy, rustic vibe. Add a little flair to your tree with rustic ornaments that tell a story. Wooden stars, plaid ribbons, and burlap bows will give your tree a homespun, vintage feel. You can even DIY your own ornaments using natural materials like dried oranges, cinnamon sticks, or wooden beads. Create a cozy nook where you can curl up with a hot drink and enjoy the holiday spirit. A rustic plaid throw blanket, fluffy pillows, and a basket of firewood by a roaring fire will make your space feel like a rustic retreat, the perfect spot to relax and unwind during the holiday season. Don't forget about the centerpiece. A wooden slice or a rustic wooden tray can be the perfect base for a holiday centerpiece. Add candles, pine cones, and sprigs of evergreen to create a simple yet stunning focal point for your holiday table or coffee table. As the sun sets, let the lights of your rustic decor shine. Whether it's twinkling lights on the tree, lanterns on the porch, or candles in the windows, lighting is the key to creating a warm, inviting atmosphere that's perfect for the holiday season. With these rustic holiday decor ideas, you'll bring the warmth of the season into your home, creating an inviting space where memories are made. Whether you're gathering with family, entertaining friends, or simply enjoying a quiet moment, your rustic holiday decor will set the perfect scene. Thank you for joining us today. We hope these rustic holiday decor ideas inspire you to create a space that feels just as warm and inviting as the season itself. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more festive ideas, and we'll see you next time.